guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Halloween look, and I'm going to be doing my eyebrows first. I'm going to film my eyebrows off camera just to save some time, make this video a little bit shorter. Check out my other videos in case you want to see an in-depth of how I do my eyebrows. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm just going to be applying a dark color. And you're going to see me do this right here, taking a brush and dapping my eyeshadow on the brush, and I'm just going to go. So watch me go. Just watch, okay? Just watch. So I applied this dark color. You're going to see how this look comes together, guys. Just trust the process right now. So I'm just taking a brush and blending that, and just trust the process because the end process will be great, as you've seen in the beginning of the video. So now I'm going to be taking another color, and I'm going to be blend. Now we're going to be taking a lighter color, and I'm just going to be applying that towards the top so the dark color doesn't look too harsh. I guess you can get where I'm going with this. So now I'm going to be taking a light shade of concealer to kind of like base my eyelid with. Look at me go, look at me go. So now I'm going to be taking this glitter, like this loose glitter from e.l.f. and I'm just going to be putting that in. So as you can see, this was like a fail that like it wasn't really sticking, like it was like kind of blending sort of, like it doesn't even look like glitter. But I'm going to fix that. Trust the process. Then I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other eye. Now listen guys, just trust the process. So now I'm just taking a wipe and I'm wiping some of that glitter off my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be I applied eyeliner at the top part, as you can see. I didn't record that, and now I'm applying eyeliner at the bottom part. I know you're probably like, this looks a hot mess, but don't worry, we're going to fix it. It's going to look great. I love how eyeliner looks and looks, but I have not perfected like doing eyeliner yet. Like it looks crazy. So now I'm going to be applying some more glitter. Now this is going to look a little bit better. Just wait, trust the process.
With all of their hosts. You may think they scare me, you're probably right. Black cats and goblins on Halloween night. Trick or treat!
Now I'm going to be putting some mascara on my eyes, and yeah. Now I'm going to be priming my face. This part's going to be a little bit quick. I'm going to be putting my foundation on. I'm using my Juvia's Place foundation. Just taking a brush, putting that on, and then you already know I'm going to get my beauty blender after this, and I'm going to start blending. So now it's time to blend. I know my face probably looks like, you're probably like, what the heck, like you look like a clown. And yes, I do right now, but trust the process. So now I'm taking my Juvia's Place concealer and I'm just going to be highlighting and contouring. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, you can check out my last video. I kind of slowed it down a little bit more than this. This is a little bit sped up. And I'm just going to start blending it in.
With all of their hosts. You may think they scare me, you're probably right. Black cats and goblins on Halloween night. Trick or treat!
I'm going to be taking a darker concealer and I'm going to be contouring. I'm going to be taking my Laura translucent setting powder and I'm just going to be setting everywhere I put concealer at. Now I'm starting to blend the contour out. Trust the process, trust the process. Now I'm going to be applying some mascara on my lower lash. And I'm going to be putting some highlight on. This highlight I'm using is from Juvia's Place. Then I'm going to be applying this lipstick. This is from Too Faced. Now I'm just going to be taking a darker brown and just applying that on my lower lash line, so my eyes just look dark. And then now I'm just going to be setting my face with setting spray. Hey guys, so this is the end of this look. So basically, I just did some like black makeup with glitter and attached my cat ears. You can go ahead and add the nose to your line and stuff like nose to your face. I didn't want to do that because actually I'm going out, so I don't want to have a cat nose because they're gonna be like, it's not Halloween, like why is she a cat? And I'm changing after this. So basically, yeah, this is my first Halloween look that you guys are gonna see, and I decided to do a cat because look, my spider webs are on me. Do you guys like my backdrop? I decided to do a cat because you know, people love to be cats and stuff. I'm not gonna be a cat this year. I was a cat. No, I was a bunny last year. I don't know if I was a cat. Like, I know I was as a child, but I don't know, like, recently. But yeah, so this is a quick little tutorial, easy Halloween makeup. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have a costume or any little makeup that you want me to do, let me know. I just put on I'll show you guys, just a black lace top. I got this at Forever 21, and some black leggings, and I have the cat tail, but obviously I didn't put it on because I'm not going out right now. But literally I got it from the Dollar Tree, so all you have to do is get the ears, and then it comes with the cat tail, and wear a black outfit, and then do some cat makeup like this, and simply add the nose and the lines to your face. Or you can just leave it like this, like obviously they know you're a cat with the cat ears on. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what you're going to do for Halloween, or if there's any tutorials you want me to do. Bye guys.